At INBIODYN, we've heard that a common cause for accidents in the utility and gas utility marketplace has been exiting a utility vehicle onto a slippery surface. So we decided to use the simulator to try to simulate that activity and train drivers in a different technique for exiting the vehicle that would be safer. So what we've done here is we've prototyped a system that includes a chair and a steering wheel and handholds to try to simulate the typical utility truck. And what we're asking our trainee to do here is to first exit the vehicle as he normally would, which is normally done without hands or maybe just one hand placed on a door. So I'm going to go ahead and have our trainee here get out of the vehicle as a typical person would on dry pavement, but in this case we've made the surface very slippery and he also has sliders on his feet. So as you can see, it could be very treacherous if the ground is slippery where they're exiting the vehicle. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and repeat the process with the two other techniques that should aid in the stability of the trainee when they're exiting the vehicle onto a slippery surface. He rotates both feet, using both hands, he stands up and walks away from the vehicle. And we're going to do this one more time, and this time, again, we're going to use that sweeping motion, which is probably a good blend between the typical way you'd exit a vehicle and a little bit safer, more stable method. So as you can see, this is a prototype that we're working with some of our customers on to do some pilots and get some feedback so that we can refine this into a product that we could sell. So if you can provide us with some feedback, either by email or calling us on the phone, and let us know if this is something of interest to you. Again, an egress system onto a slippery surface. We'd love to hear from you and try to get this done quickly and make it available.